Hey, this is Matt with Sovereign Excavation and Construction Solutions, coming to you live from the cab of my new Mack truck. And I'll tell you what, we just barely made it getting this done. It is pouring down rain here, and I got a car's trying to pass me here. Oh my gosh, let me roll the window down. I want you guys to see, you know, diligence pays off. And I stayed here last night until 9 o'clock. Kind of made the neighbors mad, probably a little bit, but it is just pouring down rain. You can see, if you look through my windshield here, you can see the rain just beating off the truck here. I'll put my flashers on so people don't keep thinking that I'm moving. But so you can see we got all that whole thing. We got it all filled with rock, got it all graded in. You can't see from the truck, but in that corner and then over in that corner, we dug that way down, and that's where we did the steps. So it goes like that and then down. And we got all that cut in. I got on that roller, and we got all that stuff rolled out pretty good. And the owner is actually over in the car across the street, and I mean, it started pouring down rain just literally as I was getting the last scoops out of the trench for the stepped foundation. And then I tried to get this stuff out of the way here. We had a big pile there, and I moved that real quick and put it over behind my trusty excavator because we had a real nice ramp built. But so the approach now is really nice. Monday, you know, I'll have to come back in and maybe smooth out the ramp just a little bit. That corner way in the back had a whole bunch of groundwater in it, and when we dug it down, it just filled up with water. So we dug it a little low to keep the water pitched over to the side, and you know, I kind of cut like a slant going down that way. Yeah, when we put all the rock in there and rolled over it, it sank. So you can literally see, like if you look real close here, you can see back in the corner, there's a red, like right in there in the corner. You can see that red line, and it's probably sank about, probably sank about 8 inches whenever I rolled it. But the owner's happy, he's ecstatic. We were trying to beat the rain all week, and you know, I have to just thank God, number one, that it didn't rain on us, and number two, you know, hey, this is what you get when you hire me. I really try to go to bat for people and make deadlines and beat the rain, and understand, you know, the next process is pouring the concrete. And if we didn't have this ready, it's supposed to rain all next week, and we'd be a week behind on this project. So this is Matt with Sovereign Excavation and Construction Solutions. What solution can I bring to you? 314-308-7161. Check us out on the web at www.sovereignexcavation.com. Don't forget to bring your umbrella. There you go.